As you can tell, I've already started collecting a few of these because I have some ideas of ways to upcycle them. And the best part is they're pretty much free because they were going to be trash. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to try and do something with these. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to kind of do something a little creative. I want to try this whole upcycle thing. So there's some items that I would normally just throw out as, just being trash. Try and see what I can come up with to kind of make some glam DIY decor. And of course, because I love bling, I gotta have some bling in there somewhere. All right, so what I had an idea, now I'm doing this on a whim, like I have not tried this, so I'm gonna see if this is going to be a success or if it's gonna be a fail, but we will try. So I have a bunch of these chili sauce jars, and of course, they're empty, but I have these chili jars, jars, and I'm going to see what I can come up with to kind of see if I can make some, some glam home decor, because I am not totally finished decorating my home, and I want to see if I can kind of do my own DIY things first before I actually go out and start purchasing some things. So once you have your chili jar sauce bottle, you're going to go ahead and remove the label and wash it out really well. So I've already done that, so that is what you see here. All right, so let's continue on. So you're obviously going to need your empty jar that you're going to wash out and clean very well. Remove the label. You're going to need your bling wrap, and I'll put a link in the description of where I got this. And you're going to just need some scissors and your hot glue gun. All right, so let's see what we can do with all this stuff. So I'm not going to need the lid. Actually, you know what? Also, because I'm going to make this, I think I'm going to turn this into like a flower type jar. So you're going to need like a few bundles of flowers, and whatever flowers you choose. I have these flowers right here, and you can use flowers from the dollar store, but I'm going to go ahead and use this bundle right here. And if you want to know where I got these from, because these are so pretty, because I love that bling factor. I always try to find things with some kind of glitter or bling or gems in them, and I like these because they actually have like these diamond stones in these flowers. So again, I'll put a link in the description of where I got these. All right, let's see if we can come up with something glam and very easy, because I'm all about the simple glam DIYs. All right, so here we go. So once you have your bling wrap, you're going to actually take it. Now I already cut this to the size of my jar, but you're going to just take it and measure out so that it fits around your jar. That's it out. That looks pretty well. All right, so let's get to hot gluing this on. Now, I'm going to be doing a series of basically just like a DIY glam upcycle, because I want to see kind of things I can kind of come up with using things I would, again, normally throw out, and see if I can actually use it. Just kind of gluing this in sections as I go, because I don't want the hot glue to dry out on me. And this, because I like using silver a lot. Like most of my home decor items are silver. I have this silver bling wrap, but you can use whatever color you want to match whatever in your home. So I took a smaller piece and just kind of wrapped it around the top just to kind of see what it would look like. Guys, let me see what it looks like with the flowers inside and I will show you. Alright, so I have it all complete. Here it is sitting on my table next to my matching glam picture frame that I did. And I think it looks rather nice. I don't think anyone would notice that this is actually a chili jar that I was about to throw away. And look how glam it looks. I mean, this is pretty much free. You know, and then I just add the flowers, and you know, you don't have to add flowers. You can add whatever you like, or you know, just because it's so decorative, you don't even have to add anything in it because you have it all blinged up. But whatever your choice. You should tell all your family and friends to save all their chili jars and give them to you, because I mean, you can use these for so many different things. Like, I'm using it just as a part of my home decor, but imagine like if you're getting married or have a special event. I mean, this was so fast and easy to do and very budget friendly. I mean, the bling wrap was more than anything. I mean, once you just add a little bit of flowers if you want to and add your bling wrap, I mean, that is pretty much it. So hopefully you guys will subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see what other items I come up with that I'm going to upcycle using things I would normally throw in the trash and try and glam them up to make them look like this. Alright guys, take care, stay blessed, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.